2024 Camry. Should be similar across other years that have this 2.5 liter four-cylinder. These little clips. Appears to be two on this vehicle. Loosen those. Raise the air filter lid. You pull your filter out. Then inspect it. Any dirt, debris, leaves. There's some leaves in it, nothing major. Pretty clean, pretty low mileage car. And something to do as well. Open up your lid. Check for any debris in there. Focus. Check for any debris in there. Clean it out. Leaves, nesting, stuff of that nature. Here's the part number, the factory filter. It's a Toyota Denso 17801 Foxtrot 0050. You're going to use any good premium filter you can. OE, Wix, Denso if you can find an OEM. Rock Auto usually tends to carry some of the OE manufacturers. But O'Reilly's, if you have one, Vance Auto, Napa, any of those. Out of the way. Slide it back down in. Be a little tricky. Give you a whole lot of room. If you're an idiot like me, just make sure you put it in the right way. Make sure it's fully seated. Those little tabs in the back, you slide them in. You do the clips. I do a air filter on a 24 Camry. Struggle is real.